Good day everyone, I hope you're having a good one. Today I wanted to talk about how you do one thing is how you do everything. Okay, this is underlying principle that a lot of successful people know, and it is also the key to improving all areas of your life. And before I start, I'm doing a life coaching program, so if you're interested, you can wait for the info at the end of the video. So, how you do one thing is how you do everything. What do you mean? Well, as you know, when you improve physically, you start going to the gym and whatnot, you start improving mentally, because all these happy hormones, serotonin, endorphins, all this stuff makes you more positive, better testosterone, like, you know, when you do squat. Automatically, when you improve physically, you'll improve mentally. You'll be less depressed, you're gonna be happier. Okay, it's automatic. And when you get happier mentally, you start learning more about mindset and whatnot. Well, learn about mindset and you still haven't found the other piece of the puzzle. You learn about spirituality. What's the meaning of life? What's the purpose of me being here? You start this upward spiral of personal development, bettering yourself, so you can contribute more towards making this world a better place. And you also try to find your purpose, your passion. What do I like doing? How can I contribute doing something that I like? Okay, so the key here is how you do one thing is how you do everything. When you improve one area, you improve other areas of your life. Okay, that's a fact. Okay, secondly, I want to talk about, this is what most people make mistake on. They want to improve one area of their life, but they're not willing to improve other areas of their life. And this is where they're failing, because you can't just say, I'm gonna be diligent, hard work on Monday only. I'm gonna be nice, I'm gonna be loving, I'm gonna be positive Monday only, but Tuesday to Sunday I'm gonna be grumpy. I'm gonna be lazy. It's never gonna work. You see, this is what unconditional love is. Unconditional love is when you are loving all the time. Is your identity is at the very core level, at the energy level. You are a loving person. You're not only loving when people are looking at you, when someone is someone's around, just like, you know, it's actually a image focus. You're no longer image focused. It's not like, as long as I look good, that's good enough. No, it's about being good and truthful to yourself 24/7 all the time in all areas of your life. Okay, so this is why I want to give you tips on how to improve your business, your relationship, your parenting, whatever it is, your health. You gotta start being honest with yourself and start doing things that you're supposed to do and stop doing things that you shouldn't do. Because the problem with this, with people, they say, I want to improve my business, I want to make more money, okay? But they're not willing to improve their health, their parenting, their mindset, and it always backfires. They're gonna end up with a lot of money and not happy. And what's the point? You want to be happy from the first place anyway, making more money, right? So that's what you get when you're trying to only improve one area of your life. So here's the key is, I'm not saying like you need to be good at everything, but it's just that you gotta start focusing on improving, especially at the core level. You know, how you talk to others is a reflection of how you talk to yourself. Okay, this world is a mirror. So you gotta start forgiving yourself when you're making mistakes. You start loving yourself more, and this is what the key to improving your self-esteem. Not saying you gotta start lazing around and do nothing. This is not self-love. This is just self-indulgence. So yeah, the key here is you gotta improve at the core level. You know, how you talk to yourself, and you gotta start improving how you talk to your people who are close to you, how you talk to your kids if you have kids, how you talk to your partner. Because how you talk to your partner is how you talk to your clients if you have a business. How you talk to your kids and how you deal with your kids is how you deal with clients. You see, a lot of people with instant gratification attitude, they're not willing to work like long run. Like, I want to improve my relationship for the long term. They say, I'm just gonna make one-off money. This is all the jackpot mentality, instant gratification mentality, and it never works. So we better stop. And unfortunately, yeah, I'm going everywhere, but yeah, people live these days with a lot of distraction. They're looking for this magic pill to get there. There is no magic pill. Forget it. Start improving every single areas of your life, and this is the only way to achieve true success, true happiness. Not those fake happiness, fake success that what a lot of people are doing now. They would just want to look happy and successful on social media, but the truth is they're miserable inside. What's the point? What's the point having 1,000 of friends but you feel lonely? It's better to have one friend and you don't feel lonely and you always feel abundance. What's the point of having $1 million but you always feel lonely and lack inside? There's no point, you see. So yeah, going back again, sorry, I'm just bragging about this, that. How you do one thing is how you do everything. Start treating yourself nicely, and that's how you're gonna treat others nicely too. And the most important relationship is with yourself. So improve your relationship with yourself and other areas will improve. Okay? Alright, that's all for now. I hope it's something beneficial for you. And I said I'm running a live coaching program. If you're interested, you can check endorphinusfamily.com and you can book a time to have a chat with me. And if it suits you, you can sign up. So on this live coaching, I'll be focusing on improving your emotional intelligence, improving your mindset, and mainly also your identity. Because if you change that identity level, this is how you are able to attract the things that you want. Okay, so this is from Law of Attraction. Don't just go hard taking this action, that action, chasing your goal, you know, but instead focus on upgrading yourself, because when you focus on upgrading yourself, you'll be able to attract the thing that you want. Okay, and you can take better action as well towards the goal that you want. And who's this life coaching for? If you're an entrepreneur or professional and you're looking to achieve your financial goal or whatever goal you have in your life, this coaching program is for you. Okay, that's all for now. Thanks for stopping by, and until next time.